So welcome everybody. This is the Candle Hunter video part number 2. And again, Angelo is today here.
Hi, Joe.
Hi Angelo. And we're going to talk about the indicator and cover all the things that we couldn't say in the previous video. So to make it quick, we are again on the daily on BDC. And if you want to get the indicator with our premium, you have the invite only and getting the updated version of the Candle Hunter. So some things got changed since the last video. And I tell you what. So we have to cover the filters today, and we didn't mention the EMA and the 4x EMA last time. And
Hmm.
these two things here are new. And yeah, this is what we're going to talking about. So Angelo, with what we're going to start now.
Let us first explain how the filters work. Maybe we can turn on the filter EMA so we have the moving average visible in the screen.
Yes?
Yeah, so um, what we basically trying to do is so when the price is above the EMA, we are spotting reversal signals. And so now we have the EMA filter turned on. So if the price is above the EMA, bullish candlestick patterns will disappear. So let's try to find a bullish candlestick pattern if you turn the filter off.
Yes. Toggle off. Okay.
Yeah, I saw one. It's the Morningstar candle. So this is a good example because the price is already trading above the EMA and now it disappeared.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah,
Okay.
but personally, I always like to see every candle. But using the filters, it gives you just a little bit more certainty or confluence. It takes out the noise a little bit.
Yes, absolutely.
As an example, if you use the RSI filter, so it only highlights candles in oversold or overbought
Hmm.
territory. So it would remove a lot of different
Yes, I mean,
candles.
usually if you activate everything, you have filtered out a lot of noise, a lot of things, but probably
Yeah.
also ignore some mandatory signals. And this is what I think. So it's up to everyone how to customize these filters, but it's good to know that they are here and that you can use it if you like
Hmm.
it. Then I remember we was talking about RSI last time in the alligator. Now we would
Yeah.
like to check out the 4x EMA. I not got a look yet, so what you can tell me about the 4x EMA?
So I learned this from the Eric Crown technical analysis course because Eric Crown, he really loves to use the 8, 13, 21, and 55. They also come in line with important Fibonacci levels, and you can see that on a lot of time frames, uh, price respects those EMAs, and you can just check for yourself. So we have the 8 EMAs, that's the yellow one. The 13 is the blue one. 21 is the green one, and the 55 is the purple one. And you can see even by the wicks how price respects those. So
Yeah, so if we are above, then we are bullish. And look how nice we respect the yellow line.
and also it gives you a great indication when you are start to lose those EMAs, and the yellow EMA is of course faster than the blue one. The blue one is faster than the green one, and so on. So you can, so this is a real good example. So we we have the blue uptrend. So we have the bulldog candles, the hanging man candle, and then we have the really important reversal candle, the mountain. And if you turn on the EMA, so you see we are still getting supported by the yellow EMA, and then the
Yes.
breakdown starts, and you can use those EMAs as a guideline to see what, yeah,
Yeah.
what
I mean,
happens.
you can say from here we losing the support. We
Yeah,
the bull run comes to the end or retest it on the 200, I
yeah.
think, is it?
So yeah, so you can say the 55 is probably a good next level, as long as we are getting rejected by the
Yes.
other EMAs.
And I mean, it's like all other indicators, you can see it from different perspectives. So I think EMA is important because many traders looking at EMAs. Yeah. And I think there we come to the next one. Ichimoku Klau. Moku Klau.
Yeah,
Ichimoku.
Ichimoku.
What you can tell me about that?
Yeah, it's the Ichimoku cloud is a really powerful indicator. It's Goshi Hosoda. He's from Japan. He's a journalist, and he invented the indicator. But the Ichimoku cloud, it comes with a lot of other. So you have the Shikuspan, the Tenkan-sen, the Kuji-sen, but we left those out because we really want the important things, and it's just really simple. If the price is above the cloud, we have a green cloud, so it's a bullish uptrend. And when we are trading above the cloud, we will have a red cloud, so that's bearish.
Yeah.
And yeah, and also the Ichimoku is the only indicator that future support and resistance lines. So you can see it's printing a big bullish cloud a
Mm.
little bit into the future, and as long as that is bullish, in this case green, so it's still a healthy uptrend, and it doesn't mean that we can come all the way back into the green cloud and hopefully find support there.
Yeah. So you mean if we testing this area here, we are still fine for the moment, for in a short-term outlook, you know. So
Hmm.
let's see how the next days are going. And I also remember they're coming the halving soon in actually 1 month. I think it's less than 30 days. So here's
Yeah,
the
it's getting
halving
close.
coming soon. Bitcoin halving. That's interesting. I mean, not means that we are that happen immediately something after it, but it's important milestone from Bitcoin in general.
It's best to use the Ichimoku cloud in combination with other indicators. So, like the
Okay,
RSI.
okay,
Yeah,
let's get
that
to
one
it.
would be fine. And can you turn on the bullish and bearish divergences of the BDL, the RSI?
Turn on.
Yeah, yeah, those two are fine. Okay, yeah, here's a great example. Maybe make the RSI a little bit smaller and the screen a little bit bigger. So you see the bullish divergence on
Yes,
the RSI.
here.
So we have that the price is making a lower low, the RSI is making a higher low,
Mm-hmm. Let's see.
and yes, so this would be a good place to find an entry for a long position. And now you see that the cloud is still
Yes,
red. So the price moves into the cloud. It breaks a little bit above it, and then it falls back in the cloud. But you can see that it finds support at the
yes,
bottom of the cloud. But this is where the RSI really comes in. So you see that we are already making the yellow lines on the RSI. So it means that the bullish momentum is getting back because we have upwards momentum now because we are trading above the neutral line, and you start to see that we are getting closest outside of the the red cloud of the
Yes. So
Ichimoku.
here we're gonna have a reversal.
Yes, and then we have a pretty nice
Yeah, and then coming the great candles, the
continuation.
bulldog candles, which yeah give an idea of a momentum. Even on the daily, it's very crazy that we had a so long bull run. And if you
Yeah,
want to take advantage of it, just riding these bulldog candles. They are yeah, momentum indicator, and it's a good option. Yes.
we had that crazy run up, and suddenly we are starting to pull back. So we are starting to pull back into the
Yes.
Ichimoku cloud, and you see how perfectly it finds support at the bottom
Yes.
of the cloud. So if you see that, and also in combination again with the RSI, so we went below the 50 line, so the color turned blue again, but we still hold support at the bottom of the cloud, so everything is still okay. We're still making higher highs, higher lows, and again we find we came above the horizontal line of the RSI, find support, moved up again, already find support, and then we
Yes.
moved up
Now is
again.
the question if we're gonna find support again in the cloud, and if so,
Yeah,
the bull run could continue. If not, then you have to check where could be the next big support level. So if we don't continue, then we'll be probably somewhere here. That that depends of the new situation. Great. So
yeah.
that was the Ichimoku cloud. So now we come to the BB squeeze,
Bull Bullet band squeeze.
removing a drawing. So what you can tell me about the Bollinger Band squeeze?
Yeah, this is probably one of my favorite
Nice.
filters that I use. If if I am trying to find certain choke points, or so when the bands are really start to squeeze, so that's when the most
Yes.
powerful moves happen. And what I also like to do is, so I turn on the Bollinger Band filter, and I use the 21 EMA filter because it gives you a little bit more. You have that squeezing part, so the price, so you know that a possible big move was coming because the bands were really close, and then you see that we find support on the 21 EMA. So I believe the normal middle line of a Bollinger Band is the 20 MA. I'm not sure, but the 21 EMA also works great. And you see that if you the the not the last part of the Bollinger Band squeeze, but where the bands were really close together. Yeah, there.
Yeah.
This was a great example. The red color is returning, and you see that the bands are really
Yeah.
squeezing. So you know that possibly a big move is about to happen, and also because nobody knows if it's going to be upwards or downwards. But if you use the EMA filter in this case, so that especially on the daily, so the 21 EMA is a very respectable EMA on the daily. So it gives you more confluence that the move is probably going to be upwards because for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days we are trading above
Yeah.
the 21 EMA.
And to come directly to the current situation, we have a little bit the opposite. So we are just below or
Yep.
testing the EMA. We don't know if we keep it. We have to wait until the day finish. And I mean, at the moment we are kind of fluctuating. It feels like at the moment everybody's waiting what's going on in the market because we are so high. We are really high on the on the long-term perspective. I mean, it's likely that we have a correction. There's no secret behind it, but we will see how long this continues. So we had already a great time anyway.
It would be extremely healthy if we get a decent 30% drop pre-halving dump.
Exactly. The most traders are in profit, so will be fair enough when you take profit and don't buy Bitcoin here. I mean, you can do that, but probably it's not the best time if you buy in the highest time. Mike
Michael
is saying
Saylor
it just
does.
because he have to say that. So
Yeah.
please ignore this guy, please, and Alan as well. Two guys in one box. All in all, we discussed the rest of our indicators. So the whole Candle Hunter is covered. It's a monster of opportunities, and you got a better overview how this single options works here. And as well for the people that are very advanced, we have some extra settings I've seen here down below. If you are familiar with RSI values, overbought, oversold, you can change them.
Yeah, maybe you like to see the RSI levels at
Yes,
80/20. Everything is possible. Everything is you can change
yes.
everything. The candles, how they respond. But personally, we did many hours of testing, and for us, these are the best settings you can use.
Yeah, I mean, it says everything, right? This Candle Hunter have so much potential. You can use it in every way you
Yeah.
like, and I think that's why it makes so special. And especially if you don't have too much data, if you have a new coin, you can simply follow the signals and think like what is a good moment for now. Not everything is Bitcoin, not everything have years of data. So if you have a new coin, you can better have a outlook of what's going on at the moment.
And also, if you are using a free trading view plan, the Candle Hunter is just ideal because you have like 10
In one,
indicators
yeah.
in one. It only takes up one spot for the indicators. I believe with a free plan you can use three indicators.
I think it's free, yeah,
Yeah,
if it didn't change. So yeah, you have it all in one box anyway.
yeah,
Yeah, definitely worth to have a look. To give a little impression of what is the next indicator which is coming, we have a BDL screener coming up soon. So this is how the BDL screener looks, and I will make an extra video just for this. But so far, I can tell you can put up to 10 different symbols or currencies you like. You have different indicators. You have even some of the candle hunter signals. And yeah, if you are interested in that, just watch the next video of the BDA screener. And yeah, you will get an idea how to use it. And you have even alerts.
yeah. This one is really good.
Is a monster.
Great job on that one, Joe.
Yeah, man, was a lot of work and testing the limits of Pine script in all sense. There you cannot believe how much performance this thing
Yeah,
need. Okay, Angelo, amazing. We finished the Candle Hunter. We have few more indicators to talking about,
yeah,
and yeah, happy to that you was here again. I hope that in the next videos also some of the members, I mean, some of the teams like Yoshi or Slam could join,
it would
but
it
they are
would
very
be it
busy.
would be nice if we have some English speaking team members.
Yeah, native English
Yeah,
speaking.
native English
Yeah.
speaking team members.
Okay, guys, that was everything for the Candle Hunter, and hope to see you in the next video. Don't hesitate to come to our Discord, ask any questions, and yeah, we are here every time.
Thanks for
So thank
watching.
you for watching. Thank you, and see you soon. Bye, guys.
Bye bye.